Yeah? Okay, well, are you about ready to meet your competition? Yeah? Okay, well, come stand right over here with me because on his way out is Seppo, our trainer with Tom, along with his trainer, Dan. Here he comes.
Oh, he's cute.
Yeah, he is a big bird, isn't it? He's pretty big. Yeah, right? Okay, you know what? I'll take two of those cans from you. All the way out here. What's up? All right. We're going to start with that can first. Now, when I say the word go, I want you to crush that can, run it all the way down, and then come back and grab the next one. Okay, so are you ready? Go! He's already on his first can. Get that can all the way down there. There he goes. And that can all the way down there. There you go. That can too. Make sure you crush that can. Get it that silver bin all the way down there. Everywhere. Get that can all the way down there. Cheer for your favorite competitor. Come on, let's give him some encouragement here. Get that can there. Crush it. All the way down. All the way down. All the way down. Come on, you can do this. Almost. Come right over here with me. And you know what? We're making such a quick ball in here. Perfect. Now you have your video camera ready, right? Good, because I'm going to explain to you as to what's going to happen because it happens extremely fast. So we have named this bird Maverick, and Maverick is going to join us from the roof. Yep, right up there. And then he's going to fly all the way out there to that perch where Russell is waving at you. And then he'll turn around and come back this way. And that's where you come in. So you're going to want to get that camera focused probably right about here in this area. So can you see my hand okay? Yeah. Perfect. Now the tricky part is going to be keeping it in focus all the way up to the point of the impact, okay? You're going to get some fabulous footage.
I would have got scared.
No, I'm just kidding. You are going to get some great
Traumatized.
footage. But he's going to land on this stump right behind your head, okay? There you go. Perfect. Now do keep your camera up and focused exactly where I showed you because this is going to happen extremely fast, like I said. That should be perfect right there. You don't have anything to be too concerned about because Maverick, he never, ever misses his target. So are you about ready to meet this bird? All right, well, joining us from the roof is Maverick, one of our Harris Hawks. Making his way all the way out there. Get ready because he's going to turn around in this direction. Whoa. Did you get it? Okay, come over here before you really get it, if you know what I mean. You're on the wrong end of that bird. Come over here with me. And just so you know, the lower you duck, the lower he will fly. There he goes. You know what? Here is a free one of our hopefully you can